A leader I work with pulled me aside after a meeting last month. I used to think AI was overhyped. Now I think it might be dangerous. I do not know what changed. She is not a nervous person. She runs a team and ships work, but something shifted and she could not name it. I hear versions of that conversation constantly. Most people land in one of two places. This is terrifying and no one is in control, or this is amazing and I cannot wait to build with it. Both reactions come from the same collision. Models that finally feel powerful enough to matter and brittle enough to fail loudly. If AI feels uniquely scary right now, you are not making that up. Senior researchers signed statements comparing AI risk to pandemics and nuclear war. The UK AI Security Institute published evaluations showing rapid capability improvement in cyber tasks, biology, and autonomous software. Task horizons are roughly doubling every 8 months. Pew data shows about half of US adults are more concerned than excited. The World Economic Forum ranks misinformation as the #1 global risk in its 2-year outlook, tying the threat directly to AI. But AI fear as a single category is too blurry to work with. I break it into 4 buckets. Bucket 1, job and economic fear. People watch AI draft, code, design, and analyze, then ask, what is left for me? More than half of US adults are extremely concerned about AI eliminating jobs. The deeper fear is not just replacement, it is that the gap widens because AI advantages whoever already has capital, data, and distribution. Bucket 2, information and democracy fear. Deepfakes get cheaper. Persuasion gets more personalized. Content floods search faster than trust can scale. Only about 10% of adults think AI will improve the news environment. The fear is not bad content. It is that societies cannot steer if they cannot agree on basic facts. Bucket 3, safety and extinction fear. AI-enabled cyber and bio misuse. Loss of control in agentic systems. Arms race dynamics where capability outpaces governance. In late 2023, models completed apprentice-level cyber tasks 9% of the time. By late 2025, that hit 50%. Some models now surpass PhD-level experts on chemistry and biology benchmarks. Bucket 4, everyday reliability fear. Confident hallucinations. Inconsistent behavior across model versions. For many people, their first contact with AI was, it sounded certain and it was wrong. That single experience creates durable distrust. Different fears need different responses. Treat democracy risk like a UX bug, and you underreact. Treat hallucinations like extinction risk, and you freeze. My loop when the next scary headline drops. Tag the bucket. Extract the mechanism. Ignore the metaphor. Anchor on evaluations, not vibes. Then turn fear into a design constraint. Job fear becomes role redesign around judgment and relationships. Information fear becomes provenance requirements and review workflows. Safety fear becomes access controls, staged releases, and audit logging. Reliability fear becomes forced citations and cheap human override. If I cannot express the fear as a constraint, it stays as ambient dread. If I can, I bake it into architecture, process, and policy. I do not want less fear. I want more precise fear. Vague fear paralyzes. Precise fear becomes design input. If people are scared of AI right now, they are paying attention. The question is whether we turn that attention into paralysis or into practice.